Hi, we're going to do an unboxing of this Cuisinart Smart Stick variable speed hand blender. This is a very handy tool. I'm going to buy one for the house. I have this one for the house because I have one at work, because when I want to make a smoothie, instead of using a whole canister when you're using the blender and then having to do all the cleaning and everything, I just put all the ingredients in the cup, right, in a mixing cup, and then I use this to mix it. So this is why I use it. It comes with other things that we're gonna see in the unboxing, but really, generally speaking, this is what I use it for. So let's open it up. This is brand new, right? See what comes in here. Okay, so first, instructions. This whole set comes with everything that you see, and it has a nice carrying bag so that you can organize it and put it on your counter. Everything, put it together in the counter. So sync up, check it out, with measurements. That way you can like put together your right. You can put together your recipes real nice. The carrying bag. From this carrying bag, so that you can put all the utensils. Once you finish, you clean it, you dry it up, and you put it in this nice Cuisinart bag, right? A whisk. So check this out. Stainless steel, very. So here we have. This one comes with a food processing unit. So the way it works is you take the motor, you stick it right here, and then you open it. So this is how it looks. It has these blades. Whoa, nice. And let's open it. You're gonna watch yourself open this. So this is how it is in there. Alright, and this is how the top is. Let's see what else comes in here. Ooh, the motor. This is the heart and soul of this system. Check it out. Wow, I wish you could feel this, because it's really heavy and sturdy. Okay, so this is really well made. This is I want to say it's like plastic, but inside it's metal. This is metal here, so check it out. This is the main mixer. This is the main unit, really. Everything else is extra. And it comes with this protector, because in here are the blades. And they're really sharp, as you can see. You see? They're really sharp, really nice. This is brand new. Really, even with brand new things, I suggest that first you take this and you rinse it with nice hot water, so that you know, if there's any like metal bits or anything in there, you can rinse it out. Okay, so the way this works, I'm gonna, it's like you put this together here, you press this button here, and there you go, you're ready to go. You see? And then let's give it a spin. Let's see how this works. So here is the blade, and the way it works is, in order for you to be able to, this is locked. You see, it's a safety mechanism. If you want to press this, you need to first unlock it with this button right here. So you press here, and then you press here, and now you see it. And when you let go, it locks right back. So you need to press here, and there you go. And you gotta be careful with this stuff because it will go. There's no action to it. You just basically press it and it goes. But if you want to, yes, there's action to it. So check it out. If you press it less, it's just one button. If you press it more, and you keep pressing it, the harder you press it, the faster it will go. So, and be careful with that because it's really strong. So, happy cooking, guys. This is going to be a really good tool that you to have in any kitchen. Mix my protein shakes, anything that I want, I put it in there. I put it in there, spin it, take it for a spin, and then all I have to do is wash this part and the cup, which I'll use to drink, and it's done.